Bonham has had so much growth going on. So Bonham just has an incredible recreational feel to it, just like Sherman and Denison. These are all on lakes, which is one of the reasons that we love them. So they actually just expanded Bodark Lake. They built out this massive reservoir, and it is the first reservoir to be built in Texas in the last 30 years. It's going to serve a growing population for North Texas, and it'll provide about 82 million gallons of water per day. Huge boost to the local economy and recreational opportunities in this area. This area has about 44% of their residents who rent. Unemployment rate also very low, and they have been experiencing massive price growth over the last 18 months. Pretty funny, 1 week per month, Bonham actually hosts the longest running trade days where you can buy antiques. Huge antiquing just kind of group that comes together in Bonham. Again, you've got lots of jobs in the area. It's close by to all the other areas. It's about 25 minutes into Sherman with traffic. It's about 30 minutes to Greenville, about 35 minutes to McKinney. So again, very accessible, great location. I have lots of properties in Bonham. Love this area. So here is the lake. It's basically an expansion of what was already there. As a reminder, almost all of our lakes here and reservoirs are man-made. Absolutely beautiful. I could imagine driving over that on my way to work every day. And again, I want you to notice how clean these areas are. So now we're in the downtown district. Again, most of what we do is on the outskirts of the downtown districts and existing neighborhoods. Another fantastic downtown, restaurant, shopping. I'll again point out how clean these areas are. Very desirable. I just love the town squares and these main streets. There's a couple different layouts for the downtowns in these areas. Some of them are a street, some of them are a plus, some of them are a square. Just depends on what type of downtown it is, but they all generally have about the same vibe. Lots of little boutiques and shops. So Bonham's located in Fannin County, for those of you that are wondering. Population's about 11,000. Isn't that gorgeous? You can see a lot of the revitalization that's been going on down here. Very similar to Denison. Sherman's looks real similar too. The only difference is Sherman has the big courthouse in the middle. So your courthouse is always going to be in your county seat, which is going to be basically like the capital of the county, if you want to word it like that. And that would be Sherman, and then here it's Bonham. So there it is. Isn't that beautiful? But you'll see everything's pristine because these are just great areas. We don't want to deal in areas where we have major crime problems, where we're having to cage our ACs. You know, we don't really get too much into crime, but at the end of the day, I'm not going to sell a property or an area where I wouldn't be comfortable with my children living. That's just kind of my threshold, and has been. And just minutes from the lake, just fantastic. You'll notice it's nice and busy. These areas get a lot of walkers during the day, shoppers, all the restaurants. And if you want to know how beautiful it is here in fall, this is a perfect picture day. And here's your other side of it, when we rain. So again, you're going to see lots of manufacturers and employers here in Bonham, just like we see in Sherman and Denison. Lots of blue-collar jobs and workers. Here's your Tractor Supply, my husband's favorite place to go. Again, this is a very developed city. You'll also notice lots of growth and new things coming in as well. There's your Whataburger coming in. Here's a Walmart. You'll notice all that land is prepped for more development. Not sure what's going in there yet. They haven't posted it yet. My favorite. Notice it said 5 days, guys, so you can bet where I'm going to be. This was recorded 2 days ago, so in 3 days. Again, lots of fast food, lots of restaurants, clinics, stores, all the things that you would expect to see in the suburb of North Texas. You can see we've been getting a lot of rain, which is great. You can see how green all the grass and the trees and everything are. So again, just giving you an idea of what this city looks like. This is one of the things we don't get to do on the tours because we move so quickly, and so it was really important to me to show you all of the development and the commercial aspect of these areas. So here's Lake Bonham. So this is the original lake. And if you want to look up the reservoir project for Bois, you can Google that and see the incredible size expansion of what they've done to serve North Texas. Remember, we have an abundance of water here. Lake Texoma played a huge role in why these chip manufacturers come. The largest reservoir in the Texoma district, 12th largest in the entire United States.